In today's video, I'll show you how to install a cinematic Reshade mod for Hogwarts Legacy to get realistic visuals with almost no FPS loss. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link. Go to Files tab and check the manual download option. Select slow download option. It will start downloading. If you are new to the site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into the site, guys. And after that it will start downloading. Select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract and open it, this is the configuration settings. Now open up new tab and search Reshade. Select the official Reshade site and select the download option and select download Reshade with full add-on support. After the download done, click on the Reshade setup and select OK. And now open the Epic Games launcher to library and click on the three dot icon next to the game and select manage and select this open install location icon and copy this path and then go back to Reshade and select browse option and paste the path we copied and press enter and open this folder, binaries folder, win64 folder, Hogwarts Legacy.exe. Select it and select open option and select next. DirectX 10, 11, 12 and select next. Select the browse option and go to downloads and open the cinematic mod we downloaded. Select the configuration settings and select open option and select next option. Select here skip option and successfully install Reshade. Select the finish and launch the game. After you are in game, just press the home key to open this panel and select the continue option and select the again continue option and go to settings tab and effect toggle key, set a key you like. I'm gonna set it to 1 and after that go to home and select continue option and select finish and select reload and now press the toggle key and as you can see effects are disabled. Press 1 to enable them again. Press the 1 key and the effects are enabled. To close this panel just press the home key and now I show you guys before and after results. And this is after results. We are going to before just by pressing the toggle key and this is before, this is after. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.